So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unfollow people on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. This is your home page. You can click on your profile button and you can click on following and scroll down and see whom you want to unfollow. Here I am scrolling this person. You can click on three dot here and you can simply click on unfollow. So you have unfollowed that person. It is very easy and simple. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.